PACB stock analysis and PACB stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm observing Pacific Biosciences of California stock. Before I get further, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, done 36,000 videos, and figured out what's working for me, what's not. PACB specifically, yeah, like, the reality is that since now we're here, it's still a bearish ticker, like such a, yeah, it's a bearish for me, and I just want to see my drawings pretty much say the same thing. Yeah, like beforehand I had like this win, then I was still looking to take things down, in which case they actually delivered, you know. And one thing that I can say is that since the delivery, we still have some targets right here, and we're pulling back up. Eventually, if I see a double break yet again, nothing will stop me to take things lower again, and this waiting side that I have here is just going to shift to this one, you know. So it's going to be moved to the side. This is the current, so stay tuned, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, you can click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.